Hi guys, I'm talking about how to have your offer accepted today in Boston or surrounding communities in today. So it might not work in a month or 2 months because real estate market is constantly changing, kind of like the stock market, but maybe not as fast. And if you need an agent in your area, hit me up because I can connect you with great agent in your area. Or if you have any questions, please post comments below or send me a private message. I'll be happy to help. But remember to hit the like button and to hit the bell to get notified when a new video comes up. This is Nune, the Greater Boston Real Estate Show.
Nune's Greater Boston Real Estate Show.
Number one, a lot of times we used to have an offer deadline. So let's say the property is coming on the market on Thursday and the offer deadline is on Monday or Tuesday, and everybody had a chance to look at the house before they made an offer. That was perfect for the seller because they wanted as much exposure as possible. Nowadays, we don't see that. It's maybe because of the COVID, people try to shorten the duration of the time that they are not home. Maybe they took a mini vacation or something like that. But right now, we also with the kind of strange real estate market right now, people are not doing offer deadlines. So that's a great opportunity for you to swoop in, and let's say you saw a perfect house on Friday, you think it's great, it matches everything you're looking for. Instead of waiting to see what's happening on Saturday and Sunday and come to take a second look or something like that, make the move now. So if you have a great agent, a proactive agent who will find out everything possible on Friday right after you see your house, maybe you would want to make an offer verbally and then say, I'm sending a written offer in an hour, so seal the deal on Friday. Before anybody has the time to go to the open house on Saturday, Sunday, you already have an accepted offer. But your offer has to be good enough that the seller decides to stop everything, eliminate all the other offers that might be coming in or might not. So it has to be a good offer. Number two, we used to see inspections waived all the time. So there were 10, 20 offers and people would waive inspection, waive the inspection, waive the inspection, just to have their offer accepted. Right now, we see inspections happening almost all the time. And if you're worried that your offer might not be strong enough when you make that offer on Friday, you might want to consider doing inspection for informational purposes only. What will happen is you'll waive your right to renegotiate the price, but you'll still have an inspection that will expose a lot of things. And if you find that there are major structural issues or the list of problems is so long that it's overwhelming, you can always withdraw your offer and get your deposit back. So it doesn't lock you up in that transaction. You still have a way out, but you will not be able to renegotiate the price, which for some buyers it's completely fine, especially if they want to have that offer accepted on Friday night and eliminate all the open houses and have it. So the speed there is very important. You have to be ready to jump on it, and your real estate agent to just have that speed to connect with the listing agent, have it moving, and have your offer accepted. Number three, more than before, right now we see a lot of people buying and selling at the same time, and I have a video about that, so check the link above. And they need some help coordinating that. So if you are flexible with the dates, especially with the closing date, and you say, I will close this day, but I can give you time, another month or 2 weeks or whatever, you have the flexibility to be able to buy your next home, that will be very attractive to the seller. Another possibility is, besides the flexibility of the closing date, you can also say, let's close on this date, but I will rent you back your property so that you don't have to move twice. and then you can comfortably finish your transaction as well. That will be stellar, and that will be very attractive to the seller. And of course, let's not forget the obvious ones. If you have a higher cash down payment, that is perfect, or if you're paying all cash, that is amazing. So that will get your offer accepted really fast. Another thing, to remove all the contingencies if you can, or remove whatever you can remove from your offer. And last but not least, write a love letter to the house and to the sellers. And I have a link to that video about how to write a cover letter to the sellers. So for all the basics that work all the time in a seller's market, watch my video about how to get your offer accepted. Again, the link is above. So I hope that was helpful to know what is working right now and how you need to move, and what are the possibilities for you to have your offer accepted. This is Nune and the Greater Boston Real Estate Show. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell to get notified of the next video coming up.